Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. That was extra, I know, I don't care. But today I got the Nomad Monteverde palette in the mail along with two other of their palettes, which I'm gonna have tutorials up on soon. But I played with this gorgeous bad boy right here today. I'm gonna have swatches, I'm gonna have thoughts, I'm gonna have all that good stuff. So if you would like to see all that and how I got this gorgeous look right here, then let's get into it. We have a giant ass mug today of hot cocoa. Not gonna lie, I wish it was wine. My god. Okay. We're finally getting around to doing my Nomad order. I love Nomad. Nomad's the best. It's the postal service that sucks major butthole. Because my order somehow got lost, got shipped to another city that never had, like, to get processed or whatever. Nothing ever goes there, okay? And then it came, like, it was opened. So I was like, okay, cool, fun. But they came here in one piece, nothing's broken. That's all that matters. But yeah, I got my Nomad order, so let's take a look at it before we start playing with it. I got the Monteverde palette, which looks like this. It is so gorgeous. It is so pretty. It's gonna be so much fun to play with. This is the one that I'm gonna be playing with today. I also got the Paradise Islands one, which looks like this. This one is so pretty. I'm so excited to be playing with this one. And I got the Ghost Town one, which I think this is gonna be right up there with the Haunted Europe one, which if you haven't seen the Haunted Europe, Jan, look away, I know you hate it. Looks like this one. I love that. I think that makes Nomad so unique that they put that on there. But this is the color story for the Ghost Town one. It's so gorgeous. It's so pretty. So yeah, I'm so excited. Also, this is the outer packaging for the Ghost Town one, which I'm gonna keep because it's just so pretty. But yeah, we're gonna be playing with the Monteverde one today. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna have some swatches and all that goodness in here, even though it's been out for a while. You know, why not, right? I honestly really don't know what my idea is. I don't know, I'm thinking like the orange and that purple right there, maybe that blue and that green. Kind of really feeling that shade right there too. I honestly don't know, so I guess we will see where we end up. As always, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair to N, and then setting with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. So we're going to start with this shade right here called a Jaguar. It is that nice, bright orange shade. Y'all, I wish you could see Bob right now. He's... okay, you know what? Fuck it. You're going to see how messy my closet is because I still need to put things on hangers. But look at him. Oh my gosh. He's literally the sweetest, cutest boy in the whole entire world. And if you say your cat is cuter, you're wrong. Fully wrong. Because that's my little guy. But like I said, I'm going to be going in with that Jaguar shade on a rougher 12 and plopping that into the crease here. But I'm just sort of making a like cut crease-ish type shape with this. I don't have any product on here right now, just a little bit of what's left, not much. And I'm just dragging it forward and just blending it out. I'm kind of tempted to darken it out a little, so I think I might do that, and that's just by stamping the chateau in and just blending it a little. I think I'm going to go in with this Pastel Flora shade right here on a Refer 26 and just plop it under here, under that shape cut crease that we just made. So after I've done that, I am going back in with that Refer 12 and just blending out the edges of this orange shade a little. I'm thinking now we maybe go in with this Orchid shade right here, still on that Refer 26. Gosh, this palette is just so gorgeous. And we're popping that into right here. Just, like I said, we have that curve going on, so I want to just plop it right into that section, almost like a wing type thing. And softening the edges out once we get to the middle of the eye. Just blending everything together. So I did take what was ever left on this brush and I just have dragged it forward just a tiny bit. I'm thinking, I kind of am tempted to go in with a green in here and then a yellow for the inner corner. And then we could do yellow in the waterline and some like, we're gonna rainbow eye this shit today, okay? That is the plan. So instead of putting, we're gonna put some shimmers in here because I am a shimmer addict, okay? I have an issue, it's all okay. I think I'm gonna go in with this River Trail right here on this Refer 21. And I'm going to be plopping that into this space right here. I think this is the first time I've ever started with the inner corner. That is a potent ash shade and I love it. So I am taking it and stretching it out just a tad a bit here. I'm thinking we go in with some sort of green in here. I'm gonna go in with this green Vile Snake shade right here. Again on that Refer 21 after I've cleaned it off a little and popping that into this space right here. I am loving this so far. I think this is just a lot of bright fun. I do want to darken it out here a little. I'm gonna go in with a little bit, I think, of this Glass Wings shade right here on that Refer 26 again. And put it like right here between where the pink and the green meet. I want some form of depth here. See, now that, that was a good call. Just blending it out into each of these. I love that. I do think I'm going to go back in with that Refer 21 again with that green Vile Snake shade and just, I don't know, I want it just a tad bit more vibrant. I don't really feel like blending the green and the purple together at all. I just thought I'd show you Bob. Yeah, hi. He's a sleepy. All he does is sleep, to be quite perfectly honest. Eat, sleep, and poop. He's literally Garfield. But for the under eye, we need blue. We need blue somewhere in here, but I'm also really wanting to do this violet saber wing shade right there. So I feel like we're gonna go in with that on this Refer 03, and I'm gonna bring it right in here. That, So I think I'm gonna go in with the shade right here called Resplendent Quetzal right there. Again, still on that Refer 03. I'm really sorry if I'm butchering these. Never said I was smart. I'm pretty, but I don't know if I'm smart, but I make do. We're gonna be plopping that into right here. And then blending these two shades right here together. Okay. We're still gonna go in with the same brush because reduce, reuse, recycle. And we're gonna go in with that yellow toucan shade right there. Is it bad that I kind of wish that the embossing on it was a toucan? I don't know. But like I said, we're gonna be taking that shade and plopping that into right here. I'm loving this. Like a lot. Like, I'm really loving this. This is a lot of fun. I kind of wish I was going to work today. This would be a lot of fun to like show up to work and like, look at me. I'm a rainbow. We're gonna go in with this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Screamin'. And we're gonna be plopping this mother effer into in here. I kind of want to put more shimmer in there because, again, I have an addiction. But I'm not like messing with any of the other shimmers. So I think we might go in with this Wildlife Wonderland shade right there on that Refer 21 again and just blend. Ooh. 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 I'm just gonna blend this yellow into this River Trail shade just a little bit. I'm gonna go do all the things on my face and I will come back for my thoughts and all that on this palette. So hold your horses. Okay, hello. Hi, I need to get rid of my antennas here. I ended up going in with the, obviously, if you're new here, I mean, if you've been here a hot minute, you know, we all know, okay, there's an addiction. These are the Blend Bunny, like, Juicy Cheeks palettes and the Noctilucent palette. I went in with a mix of these three, pretty much just ombreing the blush this way, and then I went in with the Noctilucent palette in with that transient shade right there for highlight. We need a brow bone type situation, okay? I'm thinking we'll go in with that Wildlife Wonderland shade because why not? We're gonna go in with that and just plop it in here because why not? So this is the final completed look. I think it is super gorgeous. It's super fun. And for lip, I went in, oh my gosh, it just stained my floor. Wonderful. I went in with the Melts B Movie lipstick, and then I went over that with the Rhode Peptide lip treatment in vanilla. I ended up wiping the pink off and then putting the Rhode lip peptide treatment on because the lip was just a tad bit too much and it ended up staining my lips just like it's staining everything. So yeah, I don't recommend that lipstick as it is just potent. I would like to report that I did get the stain out of the carpet. Did end up, you know, pushing my nail all the way backwards, but yeah, the stain is out. I absolutely love and adore this palette so far. I think it is so good. I'm really mad at myself for not picking up all these palettes earlier, but you know, that is what it is. yeah, this is just so gorgeous. I'm so excited to play with this more. I used a good amount of shades in this. I wish I would have used that one, but I'm thinking I can use those together, and like I can see like here. I think that'll be my next look with this. But yeah, this is just so gorgeous and so much fun. The mattes and the shimmers in here are just so good. The mattes were so easy to blend together. There was a lot of pigment, there was a lot of goodness in there, and obviously, like I said, obviously you could tell with these two shades that I used here, these shimmer shades, that they were just very potent from the beginning, which is what I like in an eyeshadow, which is what I think Nomad really excels at. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that this was a shit show. But yeah. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy than being a hateful butthole. I understand that you may not like it, and I understand that you may not understand it, but that is something that you need to take a step back and reflect on, because yeah, we don't allow bigotry around here. Also remember to be taking in the most actual factual information. There's a lot of propaganda, a lot of bull going around, to make sure you're taking in the right stuff and that you're supporting the right brands that don't support homophobia, transphobia, racism, bigotry, all that stuff. There's better places to be putting your money. And remember to be taking care of you, to be getting in enough water, getting in enough food, and just making sure that you're not being such a people pleaser, that you're taking moments for yourself, that you're doing self-care, all that good stuff. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly, duly appreciate it. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face the next time.